The Meghalaya Police had organized a state-level conference on human trafficking at the State Convention Centre in Shillong today, bringing together dignitaries and experts to address the critical issue. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, Law Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, the DGP of Meghalaya, Idashisha Nongrang, and the Chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women, Iamonlang Syiem, attended the event. Law Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh stressed the need for support and protection of trafficking victims. She emphasized the importance of identifying and addressing gaps in the legal system to effectively combat human trafficking and provide prompt assistance to victims of crime against women.
See, it is not so much as the law in isolation, but the provision of that law from the personnel who should be providing that law for citizens. The accused also requires adequate representation. So many gaps in all of the legal systems, gaps in the codification, or maybe you can also call it in the registry of cases. So whenever we have this complicated presentation in terms of especially matters related to human trafficking, it is these slips in between the lip and the cup which become a major problem in the community, and hence you see replication or idealization of such acts of injustice. Look at the way we are talking about the intrusive media. Sometimes media which is based on untruth circulated. Why are we not sitting to talk about the shortcomings of our existing legal systems, police systems, and also systems from different departments? What is it that needs to get done? We have to close in on all of these gaps, and we have to ensure that the citizen gets the right representation, citizen gets justice.
Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh also welcomed suggestions and advisories from all quarters to help the state government improve its response to human trafficking.
Therefore, it is academic seminars and consultations of this nature that will have the authority to give advisories to government. I hope that this will culminate in something like that, so that we can take it one step further. We were just having an informal discussion with the Registrar of the Honorable High Court, where we said that in all probability, even wages or payments of APPs or PPs in the different districts, numbers of them that we have hired to ensure citizens feel safe. What is the feeling of safety? If I land in trouble, I must find a place where somebody will help me. Right now, there seems to be the lack of that. So we need to now talk about even the law providers. Are we paying them enough? Are we up to date with national standards? Are we doing the correct thing? Are we incentivizing all of these cases for individuals who are representing either ways, the victim or the accused? We need to figure this out, and we need to see what needs to get done.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further informations and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.